Glowkidztv! Hi, little friends! Today we learn calm bedtime lullabies with Glowkidztv.
Yawn, ding.
The moon is awake to sing our night song. Stars twinkle and dance to make you smile. Cloud Buddy brings soft dreams to you.
Yawn.
Baby Bear is getting sleepy too! Listen, stars are humming a lullaby for you. Swing, sway, and dream away. The moon's light keeps you safe and warm. Star blanket wraps you in sweet dreams. Dream Train is ready to take you to dreamland. Good night, Dream Train. Bring soft dreams. Shooting stars say good night too.
Even flowers go to sleep under the moon.
Rain sings a sleepy song on the roof. The rainbow waves goodnight and sleeps. Each bubble becomes a new dream for you. Sleep tight, baby bear, the sky is watching. The stars spin and sing soft songs. Good night from the forest. Every animal is sleeping peacefully. The wind whispers, "Sleep well, little one." Now baby bear is dreaming happy dreams. In dreams, you can fly among the stars. Moon smiles and keeps watch all night. Morning is coming, dreams are almost done. Good morning, sun. Night was so peaceful. Baby bear wakes up fresh and happy. Thank you for joining our bedtime lullaby. Good job! Today you learned calm bedtime lullabies. Glowkidztv.